In this lesson, we will solve the logarithmic equation x times 2 raised to the log base x of 5 equals 10. We'll use a quick, step-by-step, and intuitive approach. First, a domain reminder for logarithms. The base x must be positive and not equal to 1. So x is greater than 0, and x is not equal to 1. Step 1. Use a powerful identity for swapping exponents and logs. A to the power log base b of c equals c to the power log base b of a. This lets us swap the base of the exponent with the log argument. Now apply it with a equals 2, b equals x, and c equals 5. 2 to the log base x of 5 becomes 5 to the log base x of 2. Step 2. Substitute this into our equation. X times 5 to the log base x of 2 equals 10. Step 3. Take the logarithm base x of both sides to bring exponents down. The log base x of x times 5 to the log base x of 2 equals the log base x of 10. Using log rules, product becomes a sum, and powers come down as factors. So we get log base x of x plus log base x of 5 to the log base x of 2 equals log base x of 10. Log base x of x is 1, and the power rule gives log base x of 5 times log base x of 2. Since 10 equals 5 times 2, the log base x of 10 equals the log base x of 5 plus the log base x of 2. Step 4. Let u equal log base x of 5, and v equal log base x of 2. Then our equation becomes 1 plus u, v equals u plus v. Move everything to one side. uv minus u minus v plus 1 equals 0. Factor by grouping. Left parenthesis, u minus 1 right parenthesis times left parenthesis, v minus 1 right parenthesis equals 0. Step 5. Solve each factor equals 0. If u minus 1 equals 0, then u equals 1, which means log base x of 5 equals 1, so x equals 5. If v minus 1 equals 0, then v equals 1, which means log base x of 2 equals 1, so x equals 2. Step 6. Check both in the original equation. 4x equals 5. 5 times 2 to the log base 5 of 5 equals 5 times 2 to the 1 equals 10. Correct. 4x equals 2. 2 times 2 to the log base 2 of 5 equals 2 times 5 equals 10. Correct. Final answer. X equals 2 or x equals 5. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make math simple. One video at a time.